I want to turn this dusty grungy room to my Slytherin room. So if you're a Potterhead, keep up with me and I'm showing you how to do it. For starters, I want to replace the background behind the window with a picture of Hogwarts. Then I'm bringing my Hogwarts picture into this room. And then I want to create raindrops on the window. I'm bringing my raindrops picture into this file and I'm creating 6 duplicates of the photo to cover the whole window. Okay, I think it looks good enough. Now I want to add a cool Slytherin poster to the wall. So I put the poster here on the wall. Now I'm adding another poster on this side of the wall. And now let's bring some furniture to the room. I've already cut out the green curtain from this picture. Okay, I put it here. Now I want to add a wooden chair here. And now I want to add this chair to my room. I'm trying to skip the easy repetitive tasks. So I have also changed the color of this chair by using hue and saturation adjustment before. And I'm also putting this wooden desk here. And then I'm adding a lamp on the desk, a wooden chest under the desk, and some books on the chair. As you can see, the furniture fits perfectly into the room, but we need to add some small touches. And I want to add a green filter to these furnitures to look more green. And I'm creating a clipping mask because I want it to only affect the furniture. Part of these chairs are supposed to be darker because they are in the shadowy parts of the room. And let's take a look at it before after. Okay, for the finishing part, I want to add shadows of the furniture on the wall and on the floor. And I'm trying to create the shadows. I'm creating a new layer for the shadows of the curtain on the wall. And that's it. I really enjoyed making this video because I am a hardcore Potterhead. If you enjoyed this video as well, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Have a great day.